Yo dudettes! Welcome to PB Blondies. So this is the beautiful Hazel Wallace. She is Doctor. Hazel's a wonderful, wonderful doctor, and this is a recipe from her second book. Really cool, and the beautiful thing is there's no flour in it.
There's no flour in it, there's no eggs in it, so it's actually pretty good for most people. It's also vegan, and yeah, they're really delicious. So.
And there's a special ingredient.
There is.
Voila, the chickpeas. Many people would think chickpeas in a dessert, but works fab. Wait and see. These are epic.
Not only are they super nutritious, high in protein, high in fiber, they actually make a really good substitute for flour in this recipe. But not many people believe me, so I'll let you guys.
Okay, here we go. We're going to put this to the test.
Okay.
So here we go. First thing, food processor.
So that's one drained tin of chickpeas in there.
Okay, so that's 400 gram tin of chickpeas, drained and rinsed.
So it's about 240 grams in there.
Good.
We've got peanut butter in here.
Yep. That was 150, wasn't it?
120 grams.
125, yeah. So if you want it crunchy, obviously use crunchy. If you want it smooth, go smooth. And could we use almond butter if you don't like peanut butter?
You can use whatever butter you want, any nut butter.
Okay, and if anyone's allergic to nuts, you could probably use sunflower butter. Yeah, or tahini.
Or tahini.
Tahini, yeah, tahini.
I did it with tahini, and it's gorgeous because it's almost like
lovely.
salted caramel. So you're going to have a little bit of baking powder, just a half teaspoon.
Just to help it rise.
The reason I love this recipe as well is it's kind of everything in the one.
Yeah, it's nice and easy. I like your style.
Yeah, well, that's my style.
One of Hazel's things is she loves to make recipes for students, so this is very student friendly.
Yes, baking powder in there, half teaspoon.
Great. And so, in case you're wondering, Hazel is an actual doctor. She works in hospitals.
Yeah, I work in a hospital in London. I do a little bit of everything from A&E to surgery. So most of my time is spent floating around in scrubs.
Oh,
the rest of the time I'm in the kitchen. So I'm adding some just vanilla, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons vanilla extract.
So that goes in there.
Beauty. So just to recap, we've got the chickpeas, we've got the peanut butter, we've got the baking powder and the vanilla extract.
And
baking soda.
A little bit of
bicarbonate.
Salt.
A little bit of salt.
From the high pour, I like the high pour. I like the rest.
That was very good. Beautiful. Sweetener and fat.
Yep, so we've got some maple syrup in there.
Beautiful. And you've got a YouTube channel, don't you?
I do. I've got an Instagram, YouTube channel, and recently a podcast. So coconut oil doesn't go in yet.
Okay.
We'll put in milk. That's for the swirl.
Who's been your favourite person on your podcast yet?
That's a hard
question.
question.
That's such a
hard
hard
question. That's not a fair question. That's not nice.
Okay, sorry. Okay, we'll go to that.
Well, my last one I think went out with a bang. So I had a fellow doctor, Dr. Sandro, who came over from Norway.
Wow.
We talked about global health, and he's just super knowledgeable, and like I think he's incredible. So for me, that was a bit life goal, and everyone loved it. Yeah, really
So
good.
4 tablespoons of nut milk of choice, or we went with oat milk, so any milk of choice.
Any milk you have. I personally love oat milk, and it's really sustainable. So that's all you need.
That's it.
Pop the lid on, give it a whiz.
Great. I like your style.
Yeah.
This is our batter.
Yeah.
Boom.
Nice.
Beautiful.
So we're going
Time to make our swirl.
to make the swirl. So we'll pop this first into the tin. Do you want to do the honours and I'll step back?
Lovely.
Actually, you need to try this first.
Okay, great. Okay, trying the raw batter. Beautiful thing about baking without eggs. Okay, so this is a chickpea blondie batter. Nice bang of peanut butter off it. Yum. Very lovely. Delicious.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Very lovely.
Yeah. Okay, so you could just eat the batter as it is if you wanted. If you didn't have an oven.
Yeah, you can. It's actually quite nice as like a little dip, chickpea dip.
Instead of hummus in your sandwiches.
A nice sweet indulgence.
We forgot our chocolate chips.
Okay, great. We'll pop them through.
We'll pop them through.
So this is, we're putting it into a 9-inch springform tin, or loose bottom tin as it's known. You could use a flapjack tray or whatever you have.
You could, whatever you have, like even a loaf tin I'll use, whatever
lovely.
you got, because it comes out quite easily. Just make sure that you grease it or use some greaseproof paper. And do you want to chicken the chickpeas there?
Or chocolate. So we have 60 grams of dark chocolate chips. In they go.
Oh, this is nice.
So
I like that.
Is it okay, Hazel, if it's quite shallow?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
And the next part is the swirl, which is a little trick I'm going to show you.
So it looks cool, looks really nice, beautiful.
What you want to do the swirl.
Looking good so far, Hazel.
I'm going to pop this on.
So what's the most asked question you're asked?
As a
if
doctor.
You could think of one as a doctor. By students or by kind of that type of an audience?
How do you fit it all in?
Okay, so it's a personal question to you, how do you fit it in?
Yeah, honestly, like because people think that, and a lot of a lot of people have the idea that if you're a doctor, that should be the only thing in your life. I'm really passionate that your job shouldn't be the sole thing in your life. You should have other things, and that's what creates a healthy, happy life. So cooking gives me lots of joy. I'm also a personal trainer.
And your blog, you put a huge
on my blog, I do.
If you're looking for information, Hazel's got a great blog, and her Instagram account, she puts loads of little science nuggets.
Yeah, absolutely. So for the swirl, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
Yep.
And 1 tablespoon of cacao or cocoa, whatever
So really, that's it.
That's
really
it.
Simple. That's lovely. That's very simple. And no sweet. I suppose there's enough sweet with the chocolate.
No, there's enough sweet. So this will be quite bitter, but
Okay, so the doctor said there's enough sweet.
there's enough.
That's
sweet.
enough. You've had enough.
So that's it. Literally, you don't. You know yourself. Coconut oil just kind of melts.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the drizzle or shall I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'd like that. Yeah.
Okay.
He's good at all that stuff.
Yeah.
He being steam.
Okay, right. I'll just. If there's any lumps, don't worry. They shall melt.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just want me drizzling.
Yeah, and you can use a knife after to run it through, but whatever way. Yeah.
I love when it splashes.
Cool.
Nice.
I love it. Oh, maybe leave a comment below if there's any other cakes that you've ever made with chickpeas, because this is the first time I've come across a cake with chickpeas.
So we're just gonna come up.
That's it.
Beauty, mate.
I know this from doing lots of latte art with coffee. We do lots of that type of stuff.
Where do you think the healthiest country in the world is?
I think.
Ireland.
I think Ireland, because
I love it.
because we're feeding them the best food.
Okay, so oven's baked.
200 degrees.
200 degrees
Okay, and how long are you baking for?
for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful.
So it doesn't take long because it's quite a shallow cake.
Yeah, it cooks quite quick. This is very user friendly.
And in the meantime, you just lick the spoon.
Exactly. Just clean up the kitchen.
Okay, so now the moment we have all been waiting for. So the hardest bit was waiting for the cake to cool. That took 20 minutes. So so we baked it 25 minutes, let it cool for about 20 minutes, and now the big moment. So you see, this swirl looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
It does look really cool, and it's you guys seen how simple it is. It's quite impressive when you can.
Yeah, genuinely.
show
This is
someone.
very student friendly, friendly recipe, and be lovely with fresh berries or something. Or kind of. Oh, it looks cool, doesn't it? Beautiful.
Ta-da!
Beautiful. Blondie, PB Blondies
It's like a little pizza.
with chickpeas. It kind of is, isn't it?
Okay, ready? Do you want slice or what we do?
Yeah, do it in a
little slice.
slice.
Like a little Bakewell tart.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Whoa!
It's just a little bit squidgy.
Yeah, it looks
It's
beautiful.
yeah,
That's what you
it's good.
want.
It's very nice.
That looks cool. David Flynn, I know you prefer to eat with your hands.
Okay, dudes, here we go. PB Blondies.
Hazel, you want a
a
bit?
la Hazel Wallace. A la Dr. Hazel Wallace.
There's your bit, Hazel. Here we go.
Thank you.
3, 2.
Oh, lovely. Super light. It's really light. Like I feel like I'd eat the whole cake.
That's lovely.
It's really good. Yeah, this is a great one. Really worth making.
It almost has like an almond meal texture too. The chickpeas, they work. They are thumbs up to chickpeas in a cake.
So I reckon we'll be doing more chickpea cake recipes coming up.
Yeah, watch the space.
Dudes, thanks for watching. Check out Dr. Hazel Wallace, also known as the Food Medic. You'll find her Instagram, YouTube.
At the Food Medic, everything's the Food Medic.
Yeah,
and
on YouTube for lots of videos. And yeah, thanks for subscribing for us, and thanks for checking out Hazel.
thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.